Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have a list of top 10 anime where the main character is feared by everyone. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you are new, please subscribe to our channel. So without any further delay, let's begin. Number 10. Tears to Tiara. Set in fictitious land during a medieval-like era of magic and fantasy, Tears to Tiara unfolds with the Divine Empire's rise to power as it conquers and rules lands far and wide. On the island of Erin, still ruled by the ancient kingdom, the Goidlik people are attempting to sacrifice priestess Rhiannon to revive protagonist and demon king Aron to lead the resistance against the Empire. Although the ritual fails and Rhiannon survives, the seal imprisoning the demon king is broken and Aron is resurrected. Armed with mysterious and devastating powers and a human's demeanor, Aron joins Rhiannon, her brother and battalion commander Arthur, as well as their team of fighters comprising a swordman, an archer, and a quintet of magical pixies in the epic struggle against the Divine Empire. Number 9. Shattered Angels. The series revolves around Ku Shiratori, an apparently normal high school girl who enjoys school life in the large city of Academia. Academia is one of the signs of recovery for humanity 10 years after the greatest disaster humankind had ever seen. Ku has a recurring dream in which a prince meets her and takes her away. One day, while her schoolmates are preparing for the upcoming school festival, the prince from her dreams appears, named Kyoshiro. His request is the same as in Ku's dream. Let's go together. Number 8. Kingdom. China's warring states period, a raging dragon that would raise the land for 500 years saw many kingdoms rise and fall, making way for the next generation of kings and generals to fight for supremacy. Eventually, 7 powerful states emerged from the endless cycle of warfare. In the kingdom of King Li Jin, a war-orphaned slave trains vigorously with fellow slave and best friend Piao, who shares his proud dream of one day becoming a great general of the heavens. However, the two are suddenly forced to part ways when Piao is recruited to work in the royal palace by a retainer of the king. Number 7. Chrono Crusade. The 1920s was a decade of great change and upheaval, with monstrous demons appearing across America. To combat this menace, the holy organization known as the Order of Magdalene was established. The organization's New York branch is home to the young and reckless sister Rosette Christopher, as well as her partner Chrono. Tasked with the extermination of demonic threats, the renowned team is excellent at their job, despite causing extensive collateral damage on their missions. However, both Rosette and Chrono are driven by their dark pasts. Through exterminating demons, Rosette hopes to find her lost brother Joshua, who was taken by the sinner and demon Aeon, with whom Chrono also shares a bloody history. Number 6. Chain Chronicle, The Light of Hasadus. Set in the land of Yogoto, the people thought that the land they live is the size of the world, but it's actually divided into several areas, each with a respective king. Even though there were small wars among areas, the kings had roundtable meetings to maintain peace and balance. It was until a dark group of dark monsters appeared. Number 5. Grimgar, Ashes and Illusions. Thrown into the foreign land with nothing but hazy memories and a knowledge of their names, they can feel only these 3 emotions resonating deep within their souls: fear, survival, instinct. A group of strangers is given no other choice than to accept the only paying job in this game like world, the role of a soldier in the reserve army, and eliminate anything that threatens the peace in their new world, Grimgar. When all of the stronger candidates join together, those left behind must create a party together to survive. Manato, a charismatic leader and priest; Haruhiro, a nervous thief; Yume, a cheerful hunter; Shihoru, a shy mage; Moguzo, a kind warrior; and Ranta, a rowdy dark knight. Despite its resemblance to one, this is no game. There are no redos or respawns. It is kill or be killed. It is now up to this ragtag group of unlikely fighters to survive together in a world where life and death are separated only by a fine line. Number 4. Persona 4, the animation. Yu moves to Inaba, a seemingly quiet and ordinary town. Shortly after Yu's arrival, a chain of mysterious killings began to occur on foggy days. At the same time, rumors about a strange television channel, dubbed the Midnight Channel, spread like wildfire. When staring into their TV screen at midnight, a person may see their soulmate. After witnessing the most recent murder victim on the Midnight Channel, Yu attempts to watch it again, only to realize that he can traverse into the TV and reach another world overrun with shadows, evil creatures of the dark. Realizing the link behind the hidden dimension and the murders, Yu and his friends attempt to crack the cases by exploring the diabolical world of the Midnight Channel using their personas, awakened manifestations of their true selves. Number 3. Kasserine Sins. In a distant future, Earth has become a wasteland and humanity as we know it has died out. All that remains are sentient robots. They were supposed to be able to live forever until the one called Luna died and ruin started. Their bodies will rust and there is nothing that can be done to fix it. Now the robots are left only to contemplate their deaths. Kept going only by the rumor that if they eat the one called Kasserine, they will gain immortality. Kasserine knows nothing about his past, where he exists or what he is, but he must find out or he will face the constant torment of being hunted by robots who don't want to die. Kasserine leaves death wherever he goes, but he must face it if he is to find out the truth of this world. Number 2. Ari Fureta from Commonplace to World's Strongest. High schooler Hajime Nagumo is bullied by his classmate for his relationship with the class idol Kaori. When he and the rest of his class are transported to a fantasy world, all of his classmates get powerful magic abilities, while Hajime only gains the basic alchemical magic to transmute solid materials, a common ability usually found in craftsmen and smiths. During a dungeon raid, he is betrayed by one of his classmates and dropped to the bottom of the dungeon. He survives the fall and creates weapons to escape the dungeon and become stronger. Number 1. Neppu Kaireku Bushi Road. The story takes place in a time when the world is in the pits of despair after being ravished by a poison called Shinobi that came to Earth via an asteroid. The players run away to the place called Kairiku, a place that used to be the bottom of the ocean. Here, the people try and protect themselves against the effects of the poison. In such a world, there was a single light of hope. The holy weapon Geiger Road and the legendary warrior Yagyu are needed in order to counter the effects of the poison. In order to save the world, Ame, a princess of a fallen nation, stands up in order to save the world. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it and please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you are new, remember to hit the notification button for any more upcoming videos.